Hello to you all, dear guys. Today we are going to make a minimal and very beautiful wire ring. We would have two strands of wire to ring. That pearl is just going to be put in the middle of these two rings. We need a 1 mm wire and I'm going to hammer it. So if you would like to prepare a metal and hard hammer and the surface. Also 0.3 or 0.4 wire for the weaving parts. Our main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. As you could see, we have two rings, so we need to make these two first. With your wire that you're using for testing and measuring the sizes, or a piece of yarn, just put it all around your finger that you are going to make the ring for and open it. This would be the length of the rings that I am going to make. So I would first make the wire straight and then mark the measure and the size, then cut it out and make two of this strand. So cut another one. Now these two are going to be hammered. So pick up your hammer and put it on your hard surface, the wire, and then start to push with your hammer. This would be tough and with more pressure, but it would hurt you. So here I would show you the total process, and you would do that with more tension and with more pressure on the wire, so it would be flattened totally. Now the two hammered strands are ready, and we are going to wrap them all around our mandrel at a point that is appropriate for our ring size, and we push it on that point all around. Test it out, and if it's big, you just put it a little above of the point that you determined for your ring size and then push it. There is a point here. When you hammer the wire, it would be enlarged and it would be a little spread it out and bigger than the size that you had determined. And it's okay, no problem. We are going to keep these extra parts, and for the weaving we need these parts, so there wouldn't be any problem to keep them. With your round nose pliers, we form the extra parts, because when the wire is hammered, while it is dead soft, it would be a little harder. So we might need our round nose pliers to form that better. Something like this, and let's test it out. The size is almost right. We do the same for the other strand. We have two of these rings that is going to be put on the ring just like this, and with a space. we are going to fill this space with a beautiful pearl. So first of all, we need our thinner wire of about 0.3, and at the middle of one of these rings, we would make a tie with the thinner wire, and we would fasten it up at the middle point and make a little coil here. We do that with our round nose pliers to be easier. We do that at least for 3 times, and then we cut it out. Then with your round nose pliers, just push the extra part on this ring so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges. Do that, you just put it between your round nose pliers and just push it like this. We would do that for any other coils too. Okay. Part of this wire straight, and we would keep a space to insert the pearl, and then another space for the coiling to the other ring. So we cut the wire out, insert the pearl in, and here this would be the second ring, and we are going to make another coiling part just as we did here. After making the other coiling part, the pearl is attached between these two rings, and till now this would be the look of our very beautiful wire ring. But here we need to attach these two parts with another coiling part, so we just keep them near, and with the thinner wire we fix it and start to weaving at this point. And the coiling part in this area is just the same as we did for these parts, and we cut the wire again and push it into the work. After attaching these two rings with wire coil, now this is the time to use this very beautiful wire ring with pearl. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. You will make one and enjoy it more. Take care and bye bye.